welcome to my channel of These Kitchen. So guys, today we are going to make quick and easy dessert which is cake pops. So without wasting any time, let's start. To make cake pops, the ingredients we need are Oreo biscuits. You can take any other biscuit of your choice. Milk, white compound chocolate, for garnishing, some rainbow sprinkles and toothpicks. So first we will crush our biscuits. Break the biscuits and put it in a jar. So our biscuits are crushed. Now we will add some milk in it and form a dough. Now we will slowly add some milk and form a dough. Dough consistency should be like this, that we can make a ball out of it. So now we will melt the white chocolate in the microwave. If you don't have microwave, you can also use the double boiler method. So we have melted our white chocolate. Now we will coat our Oreo pops with the white chocolate. And now we will be decorating with some sprinkles. And now we will be freezing it for 15 to 20 minutes. So guys, our cake pops are ready. If you are new to my channel, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and let us know the reviews in the comment section. Bye bye.